Barbette? I don't know no Barbette. Is what you want. What can I do for you? You just want to tell me, say, yeah, I mess with my man? Oh, you're joking, right? No, you serious? Well, that's nice. Congratulations. You can have the waste, man. I don't want him. Am I sure? I don't want him. You have my blessings. Let me tell you, Rasta. Take him off of me and please make it go. Take him off of me. You don't want him. You don't tell him to go. There's a problem. Why you calling me if there's a problem? What me have to do with it? You can't take him in. What's here? And what kind of mistress are you? Let me trace you for him. What kind of mistress are you? Right, he's his wife. Me tell him to come out of my yard. And you fit take him in. That's the plan. Right, I mean, I want him. You fit take him and look after him. Wash and cook and clean and pay all him bills. And give him money for give me to look after Royal. And that's what you do. Eh? If you can't do that, what you not do with you? This won't kick him down. And what you not do with your Barbette? Eh? Aren't you a selfish little bitch? Huh? What purpose you serve? You think just me to give him a do him any good or do me any good? Me need my money. What? He must stress me out and me don't want the problem no more. So, me put him out. And you pick him up and help him and pay all the bills then. Matter of fact, you better write a check out to me. To Chase Bank. Right? So the money can draw quick. Can be bank with Chase. Make out a check for $5,000. Or you mean? That will pay my mortgage straight through February. Right? You better get your shit together, you know, Barbette. You want to take people's husband? You better get yourself together. Oh, it has to be worth my while for me. I'll put him out. Money if you come in. Him go out. Money come in. And that program is there. And you better be part of the same program, Barbette. How you have brought the phone for? So you can't better take him in. You better take him in. Right? Oh, not me your problems, Barbette. Because he won't give you your address. And he will turn up. Right? You gonna write the check? I thought so. And I call back my phone. You see how trouble coming like with me and try to worship the Lord. In righteousness and about a cuss and act variable. And the devil just send me to block my phone with foolishness. Pay down panic, girl. Oh.